Hello everyone, this is AGTech2 with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to check the current installed version of your Microsoft Edge browser. So go to Edge browser and press the three dots on top right corner of the screen, and then press Help and Feedback, and then select About Microsoft Edge. In this tab, in this menu, you will see the current version of your installed Edge browser, or alternatively you can press three dots on top right corner and press Settings, and from the menu on the left select the About Microsoft Edge, and this is the same page as previous. You will see the current version of your installed Microsoft Edge browser. Okay guys, it's a pretty straightforward tutorial. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.